Hey folks, kind of a warm and humid night across the valley, but the cool front is on the move. It's south of San Antonio, south of Austin. Look up here in the corner of the screen. You can see some pink and white stuff up there. There's been some snow tonight in the Midland area. The temperatures behind the front are kind of chilly. 53 in San Antonio, 54 in Del Rio. On the other side of the front, still in the 60s and 70s. If we push back, look at the rest of the state. It's down to 49 in Austin, 39 in Dallas, and Lubbock right now at 24 degrees. You see the wintry mix out in West Texas. Well, the front pushes southward tonight. It'll be in the valley by around dawn, and certainly by 9 o'clock in the morning, maybe 10 o'clock, it is through. And when it comes through, winds are going to turn, come out of the north. It's going to be cloudy. Could be a quick sprinkle with the front, and temperatures will drop from probably around 70, upper 60s, down through the 60s, perhaps into the 50s by midday, and the clouds stick around. There's 1 o'clock, there's 4 o'clock, 5, 6 o'clock. Still clouds, at least in the eastern part of the valley. Could be a leftover shower tomorrow night near the coast. A little disturbance goes through the flow, but then after that, for Thursday, the sun is back. Starts cold, warms up nicely during the afternoon, and Friday we do it again. We start kind of chilly in the morning, but sunshine takes over during the afternoon and things warm up. Let's watch temperatures. Right now we're in the low 70s, a couple places in the upper 60s. By morning, we're in the 60s, but as that day goes on tomorrow, by 11 o'clock, look, we drop into the upper 50s in the west. Takes a little longer to cool off in the lower valley because the front has to get there last. By the time you get to 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 50s, low 60s across the area. A chilly day across the region tomorrow. By 3 o'clock, we're still right around 60 or so. By 5 o'clock, we may come up a degree or two because we get a little bit of late day sunshine. And then by 7 o'clock, back right about 60. So a cool day tomorrow, even 10 o'clock tomorrow night in the 50s. Let's go forward to Thursday morning now. We start Thursday in the 40s. By afternoon, upper 50s, probably topping out in the upper 60s, middle of the afternoon, and by 6 o'clock in the low 60s. So a cool day Thursday, and then Friday starts cold as well. 40s early. Midday temperatures climb up into the upper 70s, might touch 80 on Friday. So your temperature trends show tomorrow 76, that's just after midnight, much cooler than that the rest of the day. 69 for high on Thursday, then we're back in the 80s after that for a while. Again, the front pushes southward, cooler air builds in. It's a mess up in North Texas, but once that system gets out of here, nice weather builds in beyond that. Here's your rain chances for the next 7 days. Slight chance tomorrow, then we're dry. Weekend, a little bit of spotty drizzle is a possibility. Travel plans for tomorrow, it's a mess in North Texas. 18 in Amarillo, 26 Midland, 36 Dallas. Looks like the snow will stay northwest of Dallas. They warm into the 30s. That's it tomorrow. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. We bottom out in the 60s, and then tomorrow we've got 76 in here for a high, but that we're going to be hard pressed to get there. Temperatures will fall probably into the low 60s, even upper 50s by midday. 69 Thursday, sunny and nice after a cold start. A cold start Friday, back to 80 for a high. You look at the weekend, back in the 80s again. Sprinkles show up, a few more clouds, a little more moisture over the weekend. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast. Joel.